Hey guys, Marlon from Press Computers, and today we have another custom build from one of our employees. He's having some issues after installing the new RTX 3070, so let's go ahead and jump into it. Alrighty guys, so real quick, this video card, it's the RTX 3070 Asus Dual OC. It's got 8 gigabytes. It's the new video card that just came out. One of our employees just installed it on his machine, and everything seems to be working perfectly. Now, it looks like it's underperforming from what this actually can do. And just to let everybody know out there, this video card, well, the new video cards are coming with a dual BIOS switch that you can go to performance or you can go to quiet mode. So if you do not know what it actually came from the factory, it's best if you check the video card, and if you always go to the manufacturer's website, you can actually see the dual BIOS section where usually they have a GIF looking picture where it will tell you how to find out which one's performance and which one is quiet mode. At the moment it's under performance mode, so we're gonna go ahead, take it to the back, we're gonna run some tests. He wants us to wipe everything off and reload from scratch to make sure that it's not the video card, but maybe something else going on with the machine. So let's go ahead and diagnose the machine, and then we'll come back and show you guys what's actually going on with it. Alrighty guys, so at the moment we're running a repair on the machine. We don't know what's going on specifically just yet. It does have some updates and stuff running in the background, so once we get to that, make sure everything works okay, we'll go back and show you guys what we found. However, this is just the first step. If this doesn't work, we're gonna wipe everything off like we said and start from scratch. So we will show you guys later what we found. Alrighty guys, so at this point, we actually had to wipe the machine off and start from scratch. That fixed the problem. We are trying Cyberpunk at the moment, and if you go into settings, over here we're gonna show you under graphics. It's a custom graphics. We went all the way down and enabled ray tracing ultra settings with DLSS at quality settings on it. So it's kind of like a mid-range. You can also change this if you want. If you don't want it to look super beautiful, but you may want a balance or performance, then you'll be able to select that. So we'll leave that to you guys. But at the moment, I mean, this is a regular 27-inch monitor, 1080 resolution, and I think it's up to 75 Hertz. It's nothing too crazy, but I mean, the game looks beautiful. It's very, very, very smooth. We can get into some action and see if we get some FPS drops and stuff like that, but yeah, everything's actually very smooth. Cyberpunk is pretty much known for having very bad optimization, but so far so good. So that's pretty much it for the video cards. If you guys have any questions, if you want to look for some repair shops and stuff like that, we do everything in-house. So thank you so much for watching.